Okay, so welcome back. We're going to now talk about how to actually get logged in. And it's pretty straightforward. It's pretty simple. You just come right here. So we're on the main page, but you can be on any page. But just get back down to the area where fmsmokesignals.com, and then you're going to come in after that and do a /wp-admin/. And that'll bring you up to the login page. Most of the administrators already have this in there, and you're just going to use your username. Mine's already in here, and then my password. Okay, and then we're going to log in, and it should pop up what they call the dashboard when it gets finally done logging in, as long as I did everything right. So it's moving a little slow tonight for some reason, but there we go. So there's the dashboard that comes up, and you'll see down on the left-hand side, you'll have all your different menu items on the left, and this is sort of just the home page. And this is, save that for later. And then I'll go into each one of these in more detail, but we'll have the posts, which you can do all your posting, events, which adds events to the event calendar, media, where you can add items to the library, links, I don't really mess with that too much. Pages will be the actual pages that you want to edit. Comments, once you have comments on different either blogs or pages, can take comments or events as well. The slide deck too is what I use to create the slider thing on the front, and I'll do a whole video on that as well. And then down in the next section is more of the, I don't want to say more admin kind of stuff. Here you have the appearance, which you can change the themes if you want, as long as it supports the things that we have loaded up. Widgets, I'll go into more detail on that. Menus, I'll go into more detail on that as well. And then for the ones that are a little more advanced, I'll show you some of the editor functions. And I'll show you what a couple of things that you'll probably want to do a little bit down the road, but pretty soon as well. Main kind of thing is to change out that, just the words, the Fargo-Moorhead smoke signals, to the logo that you guys are making. So plugins we won't talk about too much, other than the fact that there are a few that are in play here. And you're more than welcome to add as many or as little as you want, take off a few. It's sort of really the big powerful engine that's the great thing about WordPress, is that it's very dynamic, and you can change a lot of different things. You can add a little different things and play around with it, and if you don't like it, you can just delete them or turn them off, and it doesn't really mess with your site too much. It's very modular in that way. Users is where we're going to come in and add users. I'll do a whole thing on how to add users here in a minute. And the rest of these are, well, here's the settings one. And the settings, well, we can go in here and change a few of the different settings, but I'll go over that as well in a little bit later. Gallery is where we'll add most of the image galleries, so you can do that. And I think that's pretty much sort of just the overview of the dashboard and how to get logged in here to the backside of WordPress. So I'll come back in a little bit and we'll talk about how to do some of these other functions.